Okay, the one I'm going to do is 3.52K. For some reason, most of you did okay on L, but there was some of you that had a little difficulty with K. Part of the problem is on this particular one that the answer is incorrect in the back of the book. And that happens, I'm just saying. So, some classes I'll get, and you can tell, they just look in the back of the book. But in this case, I don't think that's the case. This is a tough problem, and you made mistakes. So, mainly because the answers you gave wasn't the one in the back of the book. That's a real good clue, right? Good clue. All right, so here we go. 3.52, and this is K. So it looks ugly, when you look at it, it kind of looks ugly, right? So let's take a look. Interestingly enough, there's only one term in the whole problem. It's all multiplication and division, so no addition or subtraction. Here we go. 4 over 2 times, right? 1 over 3. That's divided by 3. And that whole thing is divided by 2/3 times 3/4 times 5/6. Okay, so we know that these division bars are, those are division bars. Okay, the fraction bars are division bars. Even these are, right? But the important thing to know is that the rules of PEMDAS still apply. You can go through this multiple ways. I got a little thunder out there. I had a little storm action. Anyway, I don't know if you can hear that or not. Probably not. Probably have a tough time hearing me when I turn the page, but I checked it. You can still hear, so sorry. Anyhow, you see the problem anyway. So, not turn the page, turn my head. Anyway. All right, so here we go. So we take these one at a time, right? And this is our first one. So I could look at this as this being in a parentheses, right? And this being in a parentheses, and this being in a parentheses. Although I think if you actually blew it all out without the fraction signs, you still end up the same. I'll let you work that and see, but this would be the way to do it. So we work this one here, and it's not too bad. 4 over 2 is just 2, right? 2 over 1 times 1 over 3 is 2 over 3. So this whole thing is 2/3, okay? 4 divided by 2 is 2, times a third is 2/3, right? 1/3 is 2/3. Okay, here we go. Now we take this, okay? And it's really important to really keep on track here, okay? So we take that 2/3 and we divide it by 3. Divided by 3, which is, I'm going to write it like this, okay? 3 over 1, but it's a division problem, so we invert. So that means that is 2/3 times 1 over 3. Now this is really important because sometimes it's really easy to look at the denominators and see that they're the same, and you automatically think addition. This is not addition, very important. Okay, so you multiply it out, and you have 2/9. That's very important, okay? So this whole thing here is 2/9, okay? Now, this is all multiplication. Let's see what we can reduce. So I can reduce these to 1. I can reduce these to 1/2. 2/4 is 1/2. Okay, and can I reduce anything else? No. That's it. So what I have is 5. Okay. 6 times 2 is 12, right? 12, right? So I have 5/12. So this is divided by 5/12. Divided by 5 over 12. But since division, we invert and multiply. So that's 2/9 times 12/5. Okay? And then we could go through and then reduce. Let's reduce now. So 3 goes into 12. 4 times. 3 goes into 3. 3 times. Or 3 goes into 9 3 times. So I multiply straight across. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 5 is 15. That's the answer. That's it. You're done. That's the answer to this problem. Okay? So that's all we're going to do tonight. And if you have any other questions, go ahead and Send me questions in my inbox, okay? And have a great rest of your weekend.